Okay, hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, for today, welcome back in our class, especially in English for grade 7 in junior high schools. Now, before going to start our class today, please let me pray together. Okay, let me pray together. Okay, done. Okay, now before going to the next chapter, and let's pray and let's songs together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, student. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, say good. And before going to the next material, and I will read your name for the presence in our class. The first, Kalista. Okay, good. And Dewi.
Present.
Okay, Alisa.
Present.
Okay, Davida, Alia, Kanaya, and then Bilkis.
Present.
Okay, and I hope you did, and we are the present our class. And now, before going to the next material, and I'll ask you to Kanaya, what did you learn yesterday?
Handsome and beautiful.
Okay, what is the handsome and beautiful? This is the adjective. Okay, now we have new the material. The material is about nominal and verbal. This is the nominal and the verbal. Nominal verbal is our introductions, and I will read the introduction. Nominal verbal is the nominal sentence. It's the using sentence is not using activity or actions. And then the verbal sentence it using activity sentence or the action. For example, in nominal sentence, I am hungry, I am handsome, and I am is the beautiful, and I am beautiful. And then in the verbal sentence, for example, I walk to school, and I stand here, and I go to school. Okay, and I will explain from the nominal sentence. Yeah, I will explain this nominal sentence. Nominal sentence is the pattern, is the first is the subject, and then is the to be, is, am, are, and including ana, adjective, noun, and adverb. And using is, am, are, was, dan, were. Okay, so it's nominal sentence, it's not using sentence, it's not using sentence, not activity or actions. Okay, and I'll choose you to make it a sentence from nominal sentence. Okay, Dewi, please make it a sentence. Huh? I am?
hungry.
Okay, and then?
I am beautiful.
Okay?
You are ugly.
Okay, good. Excellent. Okay, clap your hand to your face. Okay, so, and the first is, what is? I am hungry, and then I am beautiful, and then I am? Okay, I am good. And then, it's the nominal sentence, and I'll ask you to Bilkis. Okay, Bilkis.
Nominal sentence is not using activity.
Okay, and you have to remember, nominal sentence is not using action in your activity. Okay, Kalista, please, what is the pattern in the nominal sentence? Okay. Is, am. Okay, is, the, and, am, are. Okay, so now, And I will make it a sentence again from the nominal sentence if you not understand my explanation. In nominal sentence, for example, I am handsome and I am beautiful and I am hungry. This is the nominal sentence. Okay, so now we move to the verbal sentence. Okay, the verbal sentence is the using action activity. For example, I walk together and I eat together and then I stand together. Now, this is the verbal sentence. And for example, Afifa walk to market and then Sadam and Andy go to school. This is the verbal sentence. Okay, what is the pattern from the verbal sentence? The first is the subject and plus verb 1 or the verb SES and then ana, adjective, noun, and adverb. Okay, so and I'll ask you to Arya, please explain what is the verbal sentence. Okay, good. And then I'll ask you to Kanaya, what is the sentence? And please the mention from the verbal sentence. And then, okay, good. And now, I'll ask you again to Alisa. Please explain what is the verbal sentence. Okay, using the activity stuff. Okay, so we have learned from the verbal sentence and nominal sentence, and I'll give you 5 minutes to make it the sentence. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And after this, if you down your sentence, and I'll ask you again. Okay, I'll ask you again. I'll ask you again. And 3 minutes later, okay, and you have the difference between nominal and the verbal. Okay, please. Okay, 1 minute later, and have you finished? Finish? Okay. Okay, good. May I look your book? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now your. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, now look your book. Okay, good. Okay, good. And then, I'll ask you again to Devi. Devi, please mention or make it a sentence from the nominal sentence. The first.
I am hungry.
Okay. Okay. So now, have you write your sentence, and I'll use you to read your sentence from the nominal sentence and the verbal sentence. Okay, Dewi. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. And then, okay, clap your hand to Dewi. Okay, so, and I'll use you again to Anaya. Please make it a sentence from the verbal sentence. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Clap your hands. Okay, so now, and I'll use you again to Kalista. Please make it a sentence. Please explain what is the nominal sentence. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, and I'll use you to Kalista. And what is the verbal sentence? Explain. Sentence. Okay. And then I'll use you to Alia. And please mention the pattern from the verbal sentence. Okay. Subject, verb 1 and verb SES. Okay, so for today and we have learned about verbal and nominal sentence. And I will make a calculation. If the verbal sentence is the using action or the activity. For example, I am hungry, I am excellent, I am smart. This is from the verbal sentence. And verbal sentence, the pattern is the subject, and then is MR or to be, and then ana, adjective, noun, and adverb. In verbal sentence is using sentence actions, activity. For example, I walk together, and I see the beautiful girl, and I cook in the kitchen. This is from the verbal sentence. And verbal sentence is the pattern is subject, verb 1 and verb SES, and then ana, adjective, noun, and adverb. Okay, this is the difference between nominal sentence and verbal sentence. Okay, before our class today, and I'll ask you to my students to summary and to make it conclusion from today's learning. And from today's learning, and I'll ask you to Gavita, please make it a summary from today. Okay, good. Okay, welcome to Gavita. Okay, thank you so much and for attention our class today. And I hopefully you are